overview, excuse me. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an overview before we start diving into mitosis. So you're on the back of that mitosis notes paper, and I want you to write down this question for me. I want you to write down, why is cell division important? Okay, why is cell division important? You're writing it on the back of your mitosis paper. Emily, did I forget your table? Sorry. You might want to draw this picture here in a second. You don't have to just yet. Okay, we'll make some sense of that picture. Okay, but why is cell division important? All right. So let's talk about cell division. I'm already hearing some good questions. I'm hearing, what is cell division? Okay, I'm hearing, okay, yeah, why is it important? Why does it matter to us? Okay, whether you guys realize it or not, and I want you to write down this next statement. Okay, many organisms, including yourself, start as just one cell. Okay, now, without getting into too much detail today, okay, when you first were created,
let's not
okay,
get excited.
You started as one cell. 2 cells came together, okay, 2 half cells came together to make 1 cell, and that's where we'll leave it, okay?
That sounds better.
Okay? So, 2 half cells came together, and we'll talk more about those half cells and why they're so important later. Okay, they came together, formed 1 cell. Okay, so think about it. What is cell division? Did you stay as just 1 cell? No. Okay, that 1 cell became what? 2 cells. That 2 cells became 4 cells. Okay, so you're seeing the process, and I want you to write that down and just jot it down. The cell divides and becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, etc. All right, well now let's think about it. I'm hearing, how long does this happen? How long does this occur? Okay, I'm hearing these things. All right, so with that being said, think about yourself right now. Are you the same Riley or the same Addie or the same Faith or the same Shay that you were 5 years ago? No. Why? Because you grow, and what's growing? The cells are actually dividing. Okay? They're actually dividing and, in a sense, multiplying, getting more and more and more. Okay? All right, so last thing that I want you to write. Okay, now there are different types of cells in your body. You've got hair cells. You've got body cells. Okay, you've got skin cells. Okay, so there are different ways, and these cells all work a little differently. Okay, in the fact that they all divide at different rates. Okay, sorry, Sierra. All right, so your body cells divide at a certain rate, as opposed to your blood cells. And we'll talk about these different rates as we go on, but this is where we need to kind of start. Okay, and this is where we're going to start kind of exploring today. Once you've got that written down, if you'll flip it over to the front, we're going to fill in 1 sentence on your front, and we're going to be done with these notes today. All right, so you can thank cell division for making you into the person that you are today. Okay, you'll continue to grow and change. Okay, and that's partly because cell division. Now, when we talk about cell division, I just want to fill in that first sentence on that front sheet of paper. Okay. At first, it says blank blank occurs in a series of stages or blank. What do you think those first 2 words are going to be, Stephen? Cell division. Good. Okay. So when we talk about cell division, And I'll just write it down here because I see some of you are still working on this. Okay, cell division. I'll underline it. You know it goes in your notes. Occurs. Now, any thoughts on another word for stages?
Multiply series.
Series. Okay, steps. Or in this case, I want you to add the word phases in that sentence. Okay, so cell division occurs in a series of stages or phases. Cell division occurs in a series of stages or phases. Okay? Now, as we work on that, you can go ahead and you may put that piece of paper in your notes section of your binder. Keeping your notebook paper out.